Hey guys, Miss Hendry here. Alright, so today we're going to look at something. I want you to watch this video. Alright, and so, alright, so what do each of these clips have in common? Let me pull this down. What do each of these clips have in common? Very good. Alright, they all had animals or objects with human-like characteristics. So the camel, the pig, the gecko, and the cereal. They were all talking and doing things that humans would do, right? The camel was walking around an office. Well, first of all, a camel's not going to be inside an office. Then he was talking about it being hump day because of his hump and how that's the middle of the week on Wednesday, hump day. And so he was talking, and that's human like. And then you have the pig riding in a car, and he's saying wee wee all the way home. That's not normal. That is a human characteristic. And then you also have a gecko who's on the commercial that we've seen so many times for the Geico commercials. And he is talking. And then you have the cereal, which is an inanimate object talking. All right. And so these are examples of personification. These are examples of personification. All right, so let's go on. All right, so personification is when animals or objects are given human emotions, thoughts, or actions. And so this is what you're going to do. You are going to create a personification hero. All right, so your personification hero is going to be an inanimate object, and you're going to use personification, give the inanimate object some human qualities that you think would make it an excellent superhero. So it can be a piece of furniture, it can be a sport item, it can be school supplies. But I want you to pick one thing, all right? It can be anything. If you can think of something that is not human, it's not an animal, then you can use that, as long as it's appropriate. All right. And so then your assignment must include a picture of the inanimate object superhero. and a description of the human qualities your inanimate object has that make it a great superhero. So here's what it's going to look like. Your sub is going to give you this paper, and you're going to choose an object. Think about how you could give this object superpowers, human type superpowers that would make it an excellent superhero. And this is for a grade, so you need to do your best. You're going to draw a great picture in here. I know some of you may not be the best artists. Some of you may be awesome. That's awesome. But you are going to draw the best picture you can of your inanimate object superhero. And then you're going to fill up this whole thing, and you're going to not only write a description, but you're even going to write a short little story down here of what your superhero can do and what he saves somebody from, okay? So this is not hard, guys, but it should be fun. All right.